Hey guys, Louis Vandervalk here with Crocus Solutions, and today we're going to walk through how to set up your Search Console access to your domain so that you can start tracking the valuable SEO information off your website and start seeing exactly what people are searching, where they're searching from, and then being able to take that info back, write more content, get more eyeballs on your site, get more business, and make more money for your business. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, drop a like, comment as you find some valuable information here, and please share this out. It helps us grow the channel, it helps us grow our reach, and helps us help more people. So let's dive right in. All right, so here is a look at what Search Console is. You might be wondering, what the heck is Search Console? Why is it useful to me? I'm just going to give you a really quick overview into how it can be useful. And I'm looking here at our junk removal company and the Search Console for this, right? So you can basically get a look at a whole bunch of interesting things related to what people are looking for, where people are looking from. It's different than Google Analytics in that you can actually start to look at the queries that people are using to find you, right? And so I will make a video specifically on this and how you can use it to really get some good info, but you can see, some interesting stats, the number of clicks, the number of impressions, the average position of your website in the search results, etc. Right? So I'll save that for another video, like I said, but we're going to dive right into setting it up. Now, when you set up your Search Console, you basically have to put a small piece of code on your website or on your domain so that Google knows that you actually own that website and have access to it. Otherwise, you could set up and you could, steal people's info or get insights into what your competitors are doing. And Google wants to, kind of avoid that, right? So when you go into Search Console, you're just going to go over to Google. You're going to search up Google Search Console, okay? And you're just going to click right in there, and you're going to click into Start Now, okay? So this logged into my personal account. I have a bunch of different Search Console accounts. We're going to go into our Blue Crocus Search one here, okay? And now this is just a random snow removal site that I had a while ago, and it's not relevant anymore. That's why it's coming up with no info. But what we're going to do, and what you're going to do if you jump in, is you're going to go in here and you're going to go Add Property. Okay. Now it comes up with two options. One, verifying it at the domain level, which is what we're going to be doing here today, and one verifying it at the URL. Right. So the URL allows you to do it through the website, and the domain allows you to do it through the domain. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this website here. We're going to just grab the URL. This is one we just built out for a client. We're going to come in here. We're going to pop the domain in here. And then basically you can see here, this is interesting and a good point. They just want the www dot. So the HTTPS, all that jazz. We'll leave that. And the / there. So now we continue here. And now it's going to go in and it's going to verify it, okay? So now this is where you're going to verify your domain at the domain level. So you actually need to go into whatever your host is. In this case, it's GoDaddy, and we have access to that. You can also kind of sort through any domain provider, but because it senses that this domain is with GoDaddy, that's what we're going to do with it. So we start verification. And then because we're logged in here to this GoDaddy account, I had already logged in. And if you do the same, you log into your GoDaddy account, have it open another tab, and then you carry out verification. It will automatically take you right over, and it will authorize Google to connect everything here. So it connects it and it verifies it. It's very, very easy. And it verifies it, so we'll just speed through this. But basically what it's doing is it added a record in your domain, and then it is just verifying that you actually own it. So in here, this is the GoDaddy access. So now we can actually go to that property. And so that's the property inside Search Console for dump for you hauling. So that's it. We've set it up. It's a simple process. I'm going to walk you through a couple of variations here, but basically what's going to happen then is you're going to be able to come back. Usually it takes a day or two to fill it out and actually start populating some data. But now it's set up. It's got access to the website, and you can start pulling some data. So if we go back to our integrity junk one here, this is where you can see data. You can see the performance data. You can see the position. This is where you can go in. You can submit your sitemap in here. You can submit you can check out all these different things. You can also, if you're working with an agency and you want to retain ownership of your Search Console account, you basically go in and then you can add the agency into your Search Console account. So we own this account, obviously, but then you can add verified users here. So there's other people that can access the data. So there you have it, guys. That's how you can set it up using the domain access. I recommend this because it does a few things. It keeps the verification code off your website, and then wherever your website is built, you always retain that data because it's following around your domain. Hope that's been helpful, guys. If you have questions on Search Console, on setting up your Search Console, connecting it to your website, connecting it to your domain, drop a comment down below and would love to help you jump on. This stuff is really key for you to start tracking your SEO and seeing some of the stuff that we'll jump into in the next video on actually parsing out the data and looking at what it is that you can see. If you found this useful, please subscribe, please share this out. Please, share this on social media. Please leave a comment, like it, all that good stuff. It helps us reach more people. And that is what we're in the business of doing, is helping as many people as we can learn more about this stuff, because SEO is not rocket science. It just takes paying attention to the details. And we want you to be able to start doing that with your business and getting more jobs coming in. Talk to you on the next one.